Happy and lichtig Chanukah for everybody. Shura Tefillah. We're going to learn about Hanisim. You know that the Chachamim will tackle for us Halel v'Huda. To say Halel and Huda, say Hanisim. Rosh is Hanisim and Shimon Esrei. So interesting. Once the prisoner came to Rav Shlomo Kluger and told him that I have a few hours off. They give me a few hours on Chanukah. What should I do? Should I come at night and light the candles of Chanukah? Or I should take a few hours off in the morning, go and say Hallel in the shul. And that, most people think that lighting candles are more important. And they would tell him that you should come for candles. But Rav Shlomo Kluger, such a great Gaon and great scholar in Torah, says, no, Hallel is more important. Because when you look at the Gemara says, my Chanukah, what's Chanukah? The Gemara says that the Gemara says that the Chanukah is assumed Halel v'Huda. They were metaken Yom Tov on Halel v'Huda to say Halel v'Huda. In other words, it's very interesting that in the Hanisim that we say, that's Hanisim that we say, that's Halel v'Huda. Halel is Halel, saying Halel. That's why we say Halel, complete Halel every day with bracha. And we say Huda is Rosh Hanisim Shimon Esrei. Now, if you notice, Hanisim, we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for the Nisim we brought as those days and these days on this time. And we talked about Huda, we give Huda to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. What's the Huda that we give? We say HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Ata b'rachamecha rabim, with your great kindness, Amata lahem, you stood by Tzaratam while they have trouble. You fought their fight and you judged their judgment. You revenged their avenge. And you gave over the mighty to which people? Multitude to few, and wicked to the tzaddikim, and impure people in the hand of the horim, those who are called Vezedim, and those that they do on purpose, that's those who are involved in Torah. And you get such a great name for yourself, and they came and they cleaned the Hechal and they light the menorah, and these days are Halel, and you made such a great name for yourself. Very interesting. We thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for the milchama, for the war, that you gave mighty to the weak, impure to pure, and those that they do on purpose to those that are involved in Torah. But we don't talk about the miracle of the Shem. In Hanisim, it's unbelievable. We think the most important thing is the nest of Shemen, but in Hanisim that we say, we don't talk about the nest that happened. One pitcher of oil was used for 8 days. Contained only oil for 1 day, went for 8 days. That was such a great miracle. We don't talk about it. Unfortunately, say, how come? But in the Gemara, when the Gemara says, my Chanukah, what's Chanukah? What's the Yom Tov of Chanukah? The Gemara says, the Yom Tov of Chanukah is based on the nest of the Shem. Because they contaminated all of the oil. The only oil that they found was one and lasted for 8 days. Interesting. When we talk about Hanisim, the highlight of Hanisim is the war, milcham. When we talk about the Yom Tov of Chanukah, the highlight is the nest of Shem. Over there doesn't say because of the war, made the Yom Tov. Now before Shem say what's Pshat, Maharal explains that when we are saying Hanisim, we want to thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu in thanking Hashem. In thanking Hashem, which one is the bigger chiddush? To thank Hashem that Hashem made the nest for us, or to thank Hashem to war? War, people might think that they did it themselves. Nest, everybody understood this from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But the war, we were strong, we did it. We were capable, we were so smart. A person could relate to himself. Therefore, in that case, Chachamim say, when you want to thank, you thank on the thing that you think that you did it yourself. You have to stand and you say, no, HaKadosh Baruch Hu did it. And that's the greatest task of a person, to admit that it wasn't me. It wasn't me that I'm so smart, I'm such a great surgeon. It's not me that I'm so smart, I'm such a great businessman. When it comes to the point you admit HaKadosh Baruch Hu is from you. Therefore, even though that they had the bloody milchama, they went to war. They understood that all of this cause, the real cause of the cause is HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Admitting that makes Al-Hanisim. To admit that the nest of Shemin happens through HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that's very obvious. Now, what about creating Yom Tov? Yom Tov is a special occasion, making a relationship. Now, Mefarshim say, really, they could avoid this nest. Because really, when all the Harisoid or Tam are contaminated, they could use all that stomach. Or they could have made the thickness of the wicks 1/8. If they would have made the thickness of the wick 1/8, they could have used for 8 days. They wouldn't need the nest. But they said, here is a milchama with Yavan, war with Yavan. Yavan made the world beautiful. Olam Hazeh is so beautiful. That the world is so beautiful, and we should forget about Torah and mitzvot. When they came to keep Torah and mitzvot, they said it's not enough. We should do it Tumah. We're going to go against Yavan, we should do it Tahara. We're going to go against Yavan, we should do it the best. Therefore, they did the best. And Baruch Hu said, you want to do it the best, you want to make such a relationship, something that you are not obligated, you want to do, you want Tahara, you want me, the day became Yom Tov. Therefore, each one is greatest chidush. And we thank Al-Hanisim on the nest of the world, because that is what have been very possible. We feel that naturally we did it. Therefore, we come and say, what we did. In life, a lot of things we feel that we did it ourselves. Oh, if I wasn't smart, I would lose it. If I wasn't smart, I couldn't do it. See, my friend couldn't do it. I did it. And a lot of times, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that's what HaKadosh says, that's Messiah. Hashem makes obstacles on your way that you should accomplish it. Then you believe in yourself and you say, I did it. I feel better. I feel above other people. Or you exclude HaKadosh Baruch Hu in your mind. Therefore, that's the test. The test is to stand up and say, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you did it. And for Yom Tov, what creates the Yom Tov? When we are not obligated, but still we say we want to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We come close to you. We want to be Tahara. We want to do the best. Once we say that we want to do the best, we make the day into the Yom Tov.